Imagine you're at a traffic light. If the light is green, you go. If it's red, you stop. And if it's yellow, you prepare to stop, right? This is exactly how conditional statements work in Python. They help your program make decisions. In our last video, we learned about Python operators. Today, we're taking it one step further with conditional statements. This is where Python really starts to feel alive. Your code can now think and make decisions based on conditions. So what are these conditional statements? Conditional statements are like rules we set for our program. They check if something is true or false. Okay, and then they decide what action to take based on either the condition is true or the condition is false. So the main keywords in conditional statements are the if, which checks the condition, elif, which checks another condition if the first one is false. Okay, so there are cases where you have three conditions to check. The first condition is checked using if. The second condition will use elif to check, and then else runs when none of the conditions are true. So if the if condition and the else if condition is false, then the else will run in this case. So let's move ahead and see how we can make use of these keywords. Alright, so moving back to our Visual Studio Code, you create a file. I named mine conditions.py. So here, let's set a variable. Let's say age equals to 18. Alright, so let's see how we can use conditional statements here. So let's start with if. So if, let's say age is greater than or equals to 18. Assuming your age is greater than or equals to 18, that's what this particular line of code means here. It's checking if the person's age is greater than or equals to 18. So what should happen if the person's age is greater than or equals to 18? So here we put a full colon and then you press enter. So the moment you press enter, as you can see, Python automatically indents for you. So this is trying to say whatever you are putting or whatever you're writing here is going to be part of this condition here. So what should happen if age is greater than 18? Okay, I can say if age is greater than 18, I want to print you are an adult, right? So assuming this is what